How to make as many of your daily tasks profitable using the 80-20 rule, the Pareto Principle. Know what your priority tasks are and categorize the essential things that you have to do in your business. Spend 80% of your time on things that actually produce results for your business. For example, mailing your email list every day is a profitable task that generates revenue for your business. With so many things that you have to do in your business, it's critical that you first categorize and prioritize all your tasks. The most precious asset in your business and in your life is your time. Try outsourcing menial business tasks to free up some of your time. Make sure that your everyday tasks are those that are actually producing the results and sales in your business. Check out this article on my blog for more tips on this subject. Click the link in the description below now, and thanks for watching.